Stonecutters Bridge straddles the Rambler Channel between container terminals 8 and 9 in the Kwai Chung district of Hong Kong. It forms part of Route 8, a strategic route linking the northeast New Territories, principally Sha Tin and the airport at Chek Lap Kok, connecting the Lantau link with the West Kowloon Highway at Cheung Sha Wan, and providing direct access to Container Terminal 9 by using the East Ching Yi Viaduct. Stonecutters Bridge has a clear span of 1,018 metres, and it is one of the longest span cable-stayed bridges in the world. The concept of the bridge originated from an international design competition held in 2000. Special features of the winning design are the circular tapering mono towers, each upper tower clad by stainless steel and topped by a light beacon. The towers reach almost 300 mpd, and each tower carries 56 pairs of stay cables. To enable the passage of the next generation of super container vessels, the soffit of the bridge deck is set to a minimum level of 73.5 mpd. On the 11th of May 2004, a contract for the construction of Stonecutters Bridge was awarded to the Maeda Hitachi Yokogawa Singchong joint venture. The contract commenced on the 27th of April 2004, with the bridge due for completion in 2009. The construction of Stonecutters Bridge was truly a global undertaking. In the UK, wind tunnel tests were carried out to verify the aerodynamic performance and aeroelastic stability of the bridge during construction. Steel deck panels were fabricated at a yard in Hebei Province, China. These panels were cut and formed from plates, then welded together to make a sub-assembly. The panels were then shipped down the coast to Dongguan. Here, further assembly took place before the finished deck segments were finally shipped to Hong Kong. When the segment arrives at the Rambler Channel, it is prepared for lifting. A specially built barge, equipped with 4 dynamic positioning motors and a high-precision GPS system, guides the segment into the lifting position. The segment is lifted up by lifting frames secured on the main deck. A total of 53 segments are lifted and placed. Stay cable installation at the back span is then carried out. The cables vary in diameters from 113 mm to 192 mm. Each cable is pulled off a special reel and stretched out on the deck. One end is lifted up and attached to an anchor block in the tower. On the deck, the other end of the cable passes through the deck and attaches to an anchor block ready for stressing. Once surveying and segment adjustment have been carried out, welding of the deck panels commences. After this, the qualities of the welded joints are verified by a third-party independent testing authority. Cable installation for the main span follows, which is similar to that of the back span. The erection cycle continues with segment lifting on alternate sides until the mid-span is reached. Ballast is required to ensure that both sides are the same height. Steel struts spanning between the end segments are installed to allow for final space adjustment. The closure segment, comprising 2 separate pieces, is lifted from the barge using the west lifting frame. The weight of the closure segment is then transferred and picked up by the hanger beams. It is welded on one side first, and a survey carried out to determine the final length of the closure segment. After a further survey, final welding is undertaken, thus completing the bridge. Stonecutters Bridge is bound to become a new and bold landmark in Hong Kong's ever-growing infrastructure.